Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix performance issues in Affinity Studio. I'll show you 3 different fixes, and the first fix actually fixes 90% of the issues. So you launch up Affinity Studio. Here at the top you click on Edit, click here on Settings, and then here from the left hand panel click on Performance, and you'll see this option here at the very bottom, Enable OpenCL Compute Acceleration. I want you to go ahead and toggle this one off. Click here on Close. It will prompt you to restart. Go ahead and click here on Yes, and what this will do, likely it will improve your performance, and if it does, then your graphics driver was likely the conflict. And if it still causes you issues, what we'll do now is optimize the RAM usage. So we'll come to the top, click on Edit, click here on Settings, and then again here under Performance, you'll see RAM usage limit. I want you to go ahead and set this to roughly 75% of your total system RAM. For example, if you have 16 gigabytes of RAM, for example, like I have, then you want to set this at about 12,000 megabytes, which I have right here. And then I want you to lower the undo limit from about 1024, which is the default, to something like 200. Right here, just change that. And this is because every undo step actually that is saved uses up memory. What you could also do finally is actually change the view quality, because if zooming and panning feel sluggish, here again in the performance window, just come here, change this from bilinear, which is the best quality, to nearest neighbor, which is the fastest option. This should usually fix your issue. You can close this, it'll automatically save. Really that easy, and that is how to fix performance issues in Affinity Studio.